Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is Hafsa bringing you another amazing recipe, and this week I'm going to show you how to make a super easy lemon cake with a yummy lemon drizzle topping. Let's start by applying some butter to your cake pan and then line it up with some baking paper. So now let's move on to our cake. I have added my sugar into my cake bowl, and I have my flour on a sieve with my baking powder and sift it directly into your cake bowl. And then next add in all your eggs and then add in your cake spread. You can also use butter, but if you're using butter, make sure the butter is nice and soft. Next add in your milk and then add in your lemon zest. So start beating your cake on a lower speed, and then once you see the ingredients coming together, then increase your speed and beat it for a minute. Make sure that you don't overbeat your batter, as that will change the texture of your cake. I bring you new recipes every week, which also includes me bringing you reviews of some of the best recipes there is online today. So subscribe now and click that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Now that our cake batter is done, move it to your cake pan and make sure your oven is preheated on 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Make sure that you smooth out your batter evenly so that your bake is even. Next, bake your cake for about 35 to 40 minutes. And if it's still not done, leave it for another 5 minutes and then insert a skewer. Where the skewer comes out clean, it is fully baked. Now that our cake is ready, let's move on directly to making our lemon drizzle, as we have to soak the cake while the cake is still warm so that it'll absorb the moisture and make the cake even more moist and delicious. So get the juice of your lemons and then add in your sugar and give it a nice quick whisk. So now let's soak our cake. Leave the cake as it is in the pan and using a pastry brush, generously apply the lemon drizzle on your cake. Make sure you get the sides of the cake well as well, and then leave it for it to set. The best thing about this recipe, guys, is the fact that it is so easy to make. It's an all-in-one bowl recipe. Just put in all your ingredients, give it a quick mix, and then yet it is so moist and delicious with that lemony, tangy flavor. Remember, you can also use oranges if you like. I will leave in the description box below how many oranges and sugar you need to add to it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Check out my other videos. See you next time.